Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. And yesterday we started a new topic on how to use the trend milker indicator to trade boom and crash successfully. Okay, and so many people have been taking advantage of the opportunity to milk the market successfully, most especially those that are having the indicator but have not really gotten the idea on how to make use of it, and they've been using it right from there. So we will continue from there today, and we will go a bit further to see when to pick up your trades and how to know when to exit your trades. These are some of the things we'll be checking out in today's video, so you just need to sit tight and watch this video to the end. Okay, these are my own personal experience, how I usually pick my trades using this trading tool, so you too can also learn from there and also milk the market successfully for a very long time. And it's going to review, this video will review how I always make big amount of money with this trading tool. Okay, so you too can also start making big amount of money with it. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. In case you are joining us for the first time and you want to know more about how you can make more money with this platform, then all you just need to do is just to take your time to browse through the channel. It is a forex training channel, and of course browse through my training videos that are there. Make sure you understand every strategy share there, and of course practice and perfect it first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very, very important. And if you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we started a new training session on how to use the 3M trend milker indicator. In case you don't know about it, this is how it looks like. It is a licensed custom made indicator that helps us to trade the market according to the trend. Okay, it gives us our entry point and our exit point, and of course you can always use it to milk the market successfully. Okay, so many of my subscribers have find this trading tool very useful to them because they've been able to withdraw money from the platform they made. They have been able to make consistent profit from the platform, and they've been able to withdraw money from the platform right from here. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I always tell you, your trend is always important, and that is why this indicator is a trend trading asset. Okay, if you are not buying boom, then you should know that you should be selling. Okay, so if you are buying boom, if you want to trade the spikes, then it should be within the buying period, which means that it has to be when the market is on uptrend, and it must come from the support zone. Okay, that is very, very important. But if you don't want to trade the spikes, that means you want to sell boom. Okay, you want to sell boom. Okay, and that means it must be when the market is on downtrend, and it must come from the resistance zone. All these are very, very important for you to take note of. Okay, so now let's say the market was on uptrend before, and we are trying to sell a loan. Okay, and the market has actually gotten to this resistance zone. If you should notice, it has been following a certain pattern. Okay, that is one thing about trading. Okay, if you really understand it very well, you will notice that it is always following a certain pattern. It has not been going more than the resistance zone. Okay, so that is it. So if you should notice, you're going to do this, you're going to notice this. And here also at the top here is a major resistance zone, which it has not been able to break out from, which it was unable to break out from. If it breaks out from there, then definitely it will keep on buying, but if it does not, then definitely it will go back on downtrend, since it was unable to break out from there, so it's going back on downtrend. Okay, so that is very, very important. Then you should also notice this. Okay, it gave us an arrow right here, and it also gave us a red flag right here before I come in. Okay, this is what I always try to do. If you should notice, this market has been on a very strong uptrend, and it has been following a certain pattern. Okay, how do you know if it will not break out from this resistance zone? For instance, here was we have a resistance zone right here, and it broke out from there and it went to the next resistance zone. Okay, so that is very, very important. We also had one here. This one came earlier and it broke out from there also. Okay, it broke out from there. So how do we know if it will break out from there again? So let me quickly show you how you can take note of that. Okay, so this is what I usually do. If you should notice, this has been following up a certain pattern, just the way it has been following this resistance zone which I highlighted with this horizontal line. Then it has also been following a support zone which you can see right from here. Okay, you can see it. Okay, let me start it from here. Sorry, let me start it from here. Okay, it has been following this support zone. Okay, this support zone. Okay, let me pick it from this end. Okay, it has been following this support zone, which it has not been able to break out from. Okay, it has not been able to break out from this support zone. Okay, so now let's see. It has always been having pullback each time it gets to the upper part of this channel. It gets to this, it's had pullback. It got to this, it had pullback. So this time around it got there again. This time around it didn't get to this region, got to this point, but went back up again. If you should check it, this has actually formed an M. Okay, so which can be stronger. Okay, but this is coming from a resistance zone, and what I just need is, okay, it has given me a sell signal right here, and of course it has given me a downtrend signal right here, which is the red flag. Okay, which is normal. We also had some of them around here too, but which didn't go for a very long time. Okay, so this will also be very short for us to decide if it's going to go on full downtrend or not. But all I just need to do is just to wait for it to break out below this support zone. Okay, and it broke out below it and it got to this. I mean, it sold for a while. At least it sold for 20 good minutes. That's pretty cool. Okay, if you are earning $5 per minute, that is 5 times 20, that is $100. That is pure profit for you. Okay, within here to here is like $100 for you if you are earning $5 per minute. Okay, that is it, and that could give you a lot of money right there. Of course, when it got to this support zone, it started spiking, and if you should notice, at that support zone around here, it also pulled back up. Okay, it pulled back up around here. You can see it right there, it pulled back up. So the same thing is what is happening around here also. So this is what I usually do. If I should come in around here, let's say I come in around here. Okay, let me use another horizontal line for that. Let's say I decide to come in around here. Okay, I will have to trade before it gets, I will have to trade this asset and close my asset before it gets to this support zone. Normally I can have it open till the end of the trend. Okay, I see the trend keeps on going down and down. I can have it open till the end of the trend. So far I'm still in the right trend, I'm good to go. I can have it open for a very long time, but there are some times whereby you can even make more profit with this if you close it early. Okay, so what I usually do is I love setting take profit sometimes. So how do I set my take profit? I check out the next support zone. Here is another support zone. So just before it gets to the support zone, I set my take profit. So I'm going to put my take profit somewhere here before it gets to the support zone, because sometimes it won't even get to the exact support zone before it will pull back. Okay, that is why it is called a support zone. That is a zone. It means that it has to do with a certain region, okay, not a specific part. Okay, so that is it. So that is why it is called a zone. So I put it a little bit above it so as to make sure that I am able to close my profits closing profits before it get to the support zone, and when it breaks out from there, then definitely I can come in again. Okay, so right here I'll just put it somewhere here, and once it gets there, I will be out of the market and wait for the market to decide when it's get to the support zone before I come in again. You can see it got to this region, spiked up again. Okay, I'll make sure it has gotten to a reasonable place before I go in again. Okay, so if it's pull back right from here, okay, if it pulls back around here, definitely here is the support zone that it was unable to break then. And of course, if you should notice, it got to this region, to this particular resistance zone before it was able to pull back. Before it was able to sell again. So I will have to wait for it, since it was unable to break out from that support zone. It started spiking up around here, so I will have to wait for it to get to this resistance zone before I can come in again. So I will come in again around here and start selling. Okay, I will start selling right from there. Then while I'm trying to sell, I will also look out for the next support zone, okay, which is somewhere around here, so I can as well place another take profits around here to see what will happen, or probably I target the last support zone, okay, which is a major one, which is still more major than the other one. So this is another support zone because it played around here for a while. So instead of me placing my take profits at that particular support zone, I place it earlier than that. Okay, I will be placing it around here. You can see it's going to sell from here, got to this region, pull back a bit, but still sold again, and need to get to my take profit before spiking around here. And once it spike around here, I look out the next resistance zone. Okay, this is the support zone, and here is the next resistance zone. But if it does not get to that resistance zone before it starts selling, okay, you can see here is another place where it sold for a while, so which means here should be the next resistance zone. So I can come in here and trade, or I wait for it to go below this support zone and come in again. So I can come in here and sell till the next support zone. So you can always do that. This can, if the market is ranging within this period alone, you can be trading within that region for a very long time, and of course you will be milking your profit right from there. So it is as easy as that. Okay, it is as easy as that. Okay, so let me quickly give you a quick recap of what I have just explained today. Number one, you look at the trend, make sure you are sure of the exact trend you are going in for. Once you are sure of that, then you can come in and start trading. Okay, you look at the support zone, and if you are selling, you look at the support zone. If you are buying, you look at the resistance zone before you jump into the zone, into the trade. Once you are able to get this, then of course you can now go in fully and start trading. Then when you are trading, you can either leave your trade open throughout the trend, but that can be so annoying because sometimes it gives you a lot of profit and it goes back again and still goes on again till it is able to finish up with the trend. Okay, but while in other times you can just target the next support zone to that place and place your take profit just before the support zone, so that you can take your profit easily without having any hiccups. Then you wait for the market to decide when it gets to that support zone before you come in again. So it is as easy as this. Okay, that is why with 3N train milker indicator, it involves 3 steps. Okay, it involves you setting up your accounts, setting up your chart, trade, withdraw, and repeat the process again. Okay, so you do that all over again. You trade, you withdraw, you repeat the process again. You trade, you make profit and withdraw, and you repeat the process again. It is as easy as that. So anyone can actually do this, and that is why I'm giving a full training section on this, so that you will understand how to go about it. But before I go fully into, before we continue further on this, I want you to go back into your chart. Make sure you have this set up in your chart, and try to practice what I have explained today. Okay, you can put your chart on 5-minute time frame, and that is my favorite time frame. Even if I do my analysis on higher time frame, I still come down to 5 minutes to do my normal trading activities. Okay, so don't worry, I will also explain to you how to use the higher time frame to analyze the lower time frame. Okay, and how to know the direction of the markets when from the higher time frame. Okay, so I'm going to bring that up in one of the training videos, which I will be posting on my channel. Okay, so that you will understand how it works. So this is a unique way of making profit. No wonder so many people have been able to make money from this platform using this trading tool, and they've been able to withdraw. I have subscribers withdrawing every day using this trading tool, so you too can also do the same thing. You just need to perfect your trading skills so that you can get started. You can do this right from here. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.